Magandang buhay mga kuya at ate. Bagong lahat tayo magpasalamat sa Panginoon Diyos sa lahat ng mga biyaya na pinagkaloob sa buhay natin ngayon. To all the officers and members of Riyadh San Bikis Igas Club with the leadership of Kuya Pres Ramon Raines, Matatag Riyadh United Igas Club with the leadership of Kuya Michael Hebrero, under the regional Central Region KSA through the Governor Kuya BG Azor and the past Regional Governor Kuya Macklin Kapal. Congratulations sa inyong lahat mga kuya at ate ko. Tayo magkaisa sa ating goal na humanitarian services to our guiding principle. Mga kuya at ate, tulungan po natin ang ating mga club president, ang ating governors para po lalong kumanda at yumabong ang ating organisasyon. We need to unite for one goal, for one eagle. And also, thank you Kuya Herbert Mayores at as long that I am the national president, we will do our best for the betterment of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated. Again, congratulations to the new inducted members of different club of Central Region KSA. Ako ang Kuya Ronald de los Santos, ang inyong national president. Mabuhay ang ating